Hello there. So I'm trying something a little different. I am basically have my camera at a different level. Maybe you could see the sewing of the block better. Let me know what you think. So we are on the Rhode Island block for cotton cuts called the Ocean State. So let's open that up and check it out. Look at that cotton cut sticker. Isn't that cute? I'm going to need one of those for my mug. All right. So we have, actually, I should start putting these right down here in my basket. So we have Rhode Island. Rhode Island, the capital is Providence. The statehood is May 29th, 1790. The state bird is the Rhode Island red chicken. And the state flower is the violet. The production is textiles, and the area is 1,545 square miles. A famous person from Rhode Island is Massasoit Quilter, I think. I probably butchered that, so I'm sorry. Interesting fact is the Animal Hospital Topiary Garden is home to 20 trees shaped like animals. I should check that out. I'm in Rhode Island quite often. And a quilt shop to visit is the Blackstone Quilting Company in Cumberland, Rhode Island. I've never been there. And I spent a lot of time in Rhode Island. Go figure. I'll have to check that out. So here is the back of the card. And I'm actually already liking this position of the camera. So we have this here. That one. We have squares, and here is the floral fabric right here, and this is the state block. So this is what we are creating. So we're going to open this up, and we are going to first, I already see it, we are making flying geese. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we are going to put our white and our 4 blue right here, and then we need to make a blue half square triangle using those. So we're going to sew all this up. I think I'm going to start off first with the flying geese. And because these are pre-cut for you, they already have the notches built in. So we are going to go ahead and match the notches and sew that. And we are doing 4 of these. So if you're following along with me for Rhode Island, that is how we are doing this. Okay. Now, I'm going to stop there and switch places, right? And switch, I'm going to stop doing the flying geese and go right to my half square triangles because I am chain sewing and I'm trying to make this chain just keep going. And I'm going to now run my half square triangles right through. And I have one more to do. here we are. So now I am going to clip off where I have the flying geese, and I'm going to press so that I can put the other side on. And what we're doing is we are pressing out according to this. So I'm setting my seams, and here we are. And now we are going to set the blue on the other side. So I take a blue and we're going to come and run that right through. You were always using a 1/4 inch. Again, everything should line up beautifully because everything is pre-cut for you, including the dog ears. And our last one, which is right there. Just line it up. Sometimes you have to take your time to kind of just line things up. And there we are. We have that. Now we're going to come in and now we're going to cut everything right in between the chain. And we have our half square triangles and our flying geese. So I need to put all my my half square triangles in one way and the blue. So we are flipping, wait, if that's it. We are flipping towards the, let me set the seam. We are peeling this towards the floral. And we still have one more step to do to this. And then we are setting the seam, pressing it out towards the blue. There we are. Now we are going to take our half square triangles that look like this and like this, and we are going to put a white one, hold on so that you could see. We are putting a white one next to it. So we are going to sew this right on. And normally with this, I don't need a leader because it doesn't have a point. And I want to make sure everything is situated. There we go. Now that's done. And we are going to press this. I'm going to cut in between my seams. Between the chains that I made. And these get set. And this gets pressed towards the half square triangle or the HST. And now we are going to set it up. So we need 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 that look like this. Oops, you're below. And this is what the back looks like. So we are going to go ahead and sew. So these 4, and so far everything is matching perfect. So that makes me very happy. And now we have 4 of these units. It's like a little thing, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, right? My hair is doing a wild thing today. So now when these get pressed, let's see. If this is this way, these get pressed down. All right. So now I am just going to set all my seams in, and I am pressing this down. I'm pressing this down. There we are. So now it looks like this, and the back looks like this. And now we're going to set this so the little white boxes go out. And that goes in. So that looks correct. I'm going to go ahead and now sew this to that. And you know what? I would want to be a little bit more precise here. So I am going to come in and pop a pin. Everything has laid nicely, but it doesn't hurt to take that little extra time to pop in a pin. There we go. So we have these. All right. Now we have this. We're 15 minutes in, but it's not too bad. Look at that. And now we have them where the top is here. And now we are opening this out. So I'm going to set that. Give this all a wonderful press. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. Set that. There we are. And now we're going to take our two and see everything has beautifully nested. And I'm going to come in here again and pop a pin where we have all this beautiful nesting happening. The beginning, the end. Can't wait to show you this block. It's beautiful. And now I'm going to guess this means open. I thought it was to pop your seams, but you can't pop a seam on here. I don't think. Let's see. Maybe you can. Yep, you can. Just takes a moment, you know. I know that, you know what, clipping sometimes a couple of, there it goes. There it is. I found it. Some people call it spinning your seams. There's so many ways, so many ways of calling that, right? And here you are, the Rhode Island block. So I'll grab a you know what? I might have to find something else. I don't know if I have 50 plus of these clips. So eventually I'll run out. But there we are. We have our Rhode Island block. It can go within our pile. And we'll have 15 by the end of this, well, now we're in the month of September. So we'll have 20 done. So that's it. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Pass it forward. And I will see you soon. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And I'll see you soon. Bye.